Hi guys, a short video on Rammstein's Engel guitar riff. It is in drop D tuning, and I would say it's relatively simple to play, but it's not that easy to play if you want to play it in the original tempo. If you want to play the Engel riff by Rammstein, you start off with your index finger on fret 3, this is the note C, and you hammer on the D. So you play. And what you do is like a palm muting technique on the low E string. Yeah. So just for that, if you are not familiar with palm muting, watch my video on palm muting. It's on my channel. But what you should look out for is use that side of your palm and place it on the intonation blocks of your bridge. So like that. And then you get that low chugging sound. If you move it too far to the neck or too close to the neck, the sound gets thinner. If you move it back to the bridge, you have that low chugging sound. Then move your hand position to fret 6 with your ring finger and slide back to 5. So you play. You can also use your, for the hammer-on, you can also use your pinky. It's also possible. Yeah, I mean, you can possibly also hammer-on, pull it off from 6 to 5. It's also possible, but I play it like that. Yeah, so the next point is, or the next sequence of notes is now you hammer on twice on the D, and after each hammer on you throw in a palm muted low D string. Yeah, so we have, and then after that you play again, then the next sequence, and then after that you slide back from 6 to 5 again. So up to that point, again, I do that 3 times, and in the last bar they play they go to the low D string on fret 3 and hit that 3 times. Slowly. Yeah. So 3 times this sequence. And then after the 3 times you play that's it basically. So again, my advice is to slow the tempo down. Use a metronome or a drum computer or a drum program of any kind, like Easy Drummer or something like that, and start with, let's say, 80 beats or something like that, or 75 beats, and then move it up slowly from 75 to 80 to 80, 84, 85. The original tempo is like 95, 96, I think. I think it's 96. 96 beats. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know what songs I should cover. So guys, take care and talk to you soon.